Hi everyone, my name is Naldo, and I'm the Camp and Curriculums Manager at Miami Children's Museum. Today, I'm going to lead you through a special recipe to celebrate the Halloween season. Today we're going to make monster mash using sweet potatoes, marshmallows, and raisins. The first thing you're going to want to do is to peel your sweet potatoes. So first, we can place a pot of water to boil to cook our potatoes. Then you'll want to wash the potatoes and then begin to peel them. If you need help peeling your potatoes, you can ask an adult for some help. Once we are done peeling our potatoes, we will cut them into smaller chunks so they can cook faster in the boiling water. Please ask an adult for help. Now, I will place the potatoes into the boiling water. Alright, so now our sweet potatoes are done boiling and nice and cooked, so we'll remove them from the hot water and place them into a separate bowl. Now we have our sweet potatoes in a separate bowl, we'll use a fork to mash them, or if you have a potato masher, you can use that as well. So now that we're done mashing our potatoes, we'll use the other two ingredients to decorate our monster, marshmallows and raisins. Last marshmallow, and there we go! Monster mash. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about this recipe just as much as I enjoyed teaching it to you. Thank you for joining us, and have a happy and safe Halloween. Goodbye!